First, the Omicron variant and a spike in COVID-19 cases.
The Florida Department of Health revealing infections more than doubled from the previous week, with the case count holding somewhat steady.
It's a bigger problem elsewhere, forcing the postponement of NFL and NHL games this weekend, including Saturday's Bolts game.
And there is concern for air travel as the holiday approaches. Nico Clemens at Tampa International Airport for us tonight. Nico, you spoke with a Bay Area doctor about the rise in these COVID cases.
Well, look, Keith, Jennifer, not just postponements, but we're seeing schools and businesses around the country close its doors again. But right now, there are no signs the rising cases have impacted people's decision to travel. However, the doctor I talked with says nothing is off the table.
In the past 3 days alone, we've had nearly 20,000 cases.
New COVID-19 predictions don't paint a pretty picture.
We can already see the beginning of that rapid ascent in terms of cases.
The Omicron variant now found in more than 40 states. Despite news it's more transmissible than the Delta variant, holiday travel is picking up with Christmas days away. AAA says we'll see a more than 30% increase in travel this year compared to last.
I think it is going to impact the holiday season, and as we can see already is.
And new Friday. The NFL and NHL both announced it's postponing some games due to concern over Omicron.
To see them actually take that step, I think their advisors, and when you look at the lay of the land and what's bound to happen with Omicron, I think it lets you know that things could get really bad really rapidly.
Dr. Jason Salimi at USF's College of Public Health says right now most states and jurisdictions are operating out of an abundance of caution, as our past is starting to resemble our future.
I think that's a responsible decision to make.
Meanwhile, the CDC is placing an emphasis on getting your booster shot. Salimi says we could see health officials reconsider how we describe vaccination status.
It's just very likely that if we don't do much to block the spread of the virus from person to person, it will take advantage of that, and we will, again, we're already seeing it in the past couple of days, the degree to which cases could rise and how rapidly that happens.
And the doctor there, he has a paper out right now where he's tackling the issue and really the question of what will fully vaccinated look like in the near future. You can find it on our website right now. Live at TPA, I'm Nico Clemens, 8 on your side.
Thank you, Nico.